you ever wanted to buy a product but don't know what's inside the box? Afraid of opening up and destroying the box in the process? Hi, my name is Nick, and this is the first video in a mini-series of unboxing videos to show you exactly what's inside when you buy a product. Let's get started. The first product we'll be looking at is the Pondmaster 250 gallon per hour pump. When opening up the pump, first there will be a little piece of tape over the front of this tab. Once you cut through that, you pull down on the tab, open the box, and you'll see the pump on this side with a cardboard cover on the right. Under that is your pre-filter cage. The pre-filter cage goes on the very front of this pump, like so. On top, you will see the thread that you put a hose over. 3/4 inch hose will fit right over the top of that with no fitting needed. We always recommend putting a clamp over it so the hose doesn't blow off. If you need to put a different size hose on there with a bigger fitting, you can put a 1-inch size hose. With a smaller size fitting, you can do a 1/2-inch size hose, but nothing smaller than that. If you would like to reach us, follow us on Facebook, just search Fairfield Garden Center. Follow us on Twitter at NJFGC. Follow us on YouTube at Fairfield Garden Center. You can also sign up for our emails at fairfieldgardencenter.com. Or if you have a question for me, my email is nick@fairfieldgardencenter.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.